Hello green thumbs and design lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for all things beautiful outside the house. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever looked out at your backyard, stared at that steep, awkward hill and completely given up hope? You are definitely not alone. Sloped yards are notoriously frustrating. They look difficult to plant, impossible to mow, and feel like a massive waste of precious outdoor space. But what if I told you that an incline isn't a landscaping curse, but actually a massive design opportunity? In today's video, we are breaking down the absolute best ways to conquer the climb and unlock the hidden potential of your yard. Get ready to be inspired, because we are diving into the ultimate slope garden ideas that will completely transform your home's exterior. When we talk about a slope garden, we are referring to the deliberate landscaping and structural design of an inclined or hilly piece of land to make it both functional and visually spectacular. Instead of fighting against nature or spending a fortune to flatten the earth, a slope garden works with the natural topography of your property. Why should you choose to embrace the slope? First and foremost, it adds incredible visual depth, dimension, and drama that flat yards simply cannot match. Terraced layers, cascading plants, and winding stone steps create a breathtaking multi-level journey for the eyes. Beyond aesthetics, proper slope gardening is highly practical. It acts as a powerful solution for soil erosion and rainwater runoff, stabilizing the ground while simultaneously maximizing your usable outdoor living area. By creating distinct zones, like a hidden fire pit on one level and a lush flower bed on another, a sloped garden turns a challenging hill into a multifunctional luxury retreat. You can transform the challenge of gardening on a slope into an exciting opportunity by creating terraced flower beds or rock gardens. With the right design ideas, you can successfully turn hilly or sloped areas of your yard into a stunning feature that enhances your landscape. Here are these 15 slope garden ideas that turn uneven ground into a beautiful landscape. One, create a wall of flowers. In order to create a beautiful hillside flower bed, construct a retaining wall. Make sure to use materials that support planting in the wall's nooks and crannies. Sedums can spill beautifully from a 4-foot-tall retaining wall made of dry stacked salvaged concrete. Other plants that thrive in crevices include creeping phlox, rock cress, thyme, hens and chicks, sweet alyssum, trailing lobelia, snow in summer, and candy tuft. 2. Just add water feature. A backyard waterfall is a great feature for a sloped garden. A steep slope offers the chance to create a dramatic water curtain. If there is no electricity nearby for the water pump, then an electrician can assist in providing power. 3. Display your favorite containers. You can use a change in grade in order to showcase your favorite potted plants along the edges of a sloped flower bed. Positioning a variety of container gardens in high-traffic areas, such as entries, enhances their impact. Just make sure the containers are heavy enough to prevent tipping. 4. Build a stairway. Link 2 separate levels of your yard with a curving stairway to soften the steepness of the sloped flower bed. Drought-resistant ground covers, succulents, and deep-rooted perennials like little bluestem help prevent erosion and add interest to the journey. 5. Terrace it. If a single large wall isn't sufficient for your yard, then you can opt for several low walls with level terraces between them. Consider paving a terrace in order to build a patio and comfortable outdoor seating. A sloped backyard design offers an inviting patio, perfect for relaxing and enjoying the garden view. 6. Go naturalistic. Rocks and naturalistic plantings can instantly transform an eroding California hillside flower bed into a vibrant oasis that integrates with the desert surroundings. Low-maintenance succulents such as agave, crassula, and bulbine flourish here. Other suitable choices for a dry hillside include pennisetum, salvia, yarrow, and lamb's ear. 7. Carpet it. Plant roots excel at stabilizing loose soil on a sloped flower bed. You can transform a challenging hillside into a vibrant planting by choosing easy-care ground cover plants for slopes. These pretty plants root into the bank wherever their stems touch the soil, with dense mats that help minimize erosion and weeds. 8. Deck the hill. You can convert a steep slope into usable living space by adding a multilevel deck that spans the slope. The contrast between the natural garden and the deck creates an inviting visual appeal. Enhance the drama by constructing around an existing tree or planting one near the deck. 9. Make a boulder statement. Position clusters of boulders in the soil in order to anchor the sloped flower bed and add natural beauty to the space. Arrange rocks into groups in a staggered, informal manner for a natural effect. Bury 1/3 to 1/2 of each large rock for stability, then pack the soil firmly around them. Finish with plantings to complete the stylish look. 10. Step it up. Steps can instantly turn a sloped flower bed from inaccessible to welcoming. Wide, meandering, or zigzag steps up a steep slope are easier to navigate than steeply ascending steps. Unsure where to place your stairs? Start at the base of your sloped flower bed. Test several paths along the slope to find the most comfortable route. 11. Build a babbling brook. A shallow slope is ideal for a babbling brook. Water can cascade down previously unmanageable slopes, aiding in erosion control and moisture management. Creating a dry creek or stream bed is a great option for your space if you lack a water source. 12. Connect activity areas. A dry stack stone wall and mortared stone steps connect a small pool house and spa situated at various landscape levels. Lush plants for slopes soften the hardscape, enhance it with bright color and fragrance, and encourage exploration. 13. Create a tiered vertical garden. A wealth of spring bloomers can effortlessly transform towering terraces into a charming quilt-like display. Pair spring bulbs with summer and fall blooming perennials for extended bloom and season-long color. Letting a few trailing plants spill over the edges will enhance the naturalistic look. 14. Elevate outdoor living spaces. You can easily incorporate an outdoor living space into your hillside flower beds. Steps leading to a raised flagstone patio offer a stunning view of the entire garden, while a pergola ensures privacy. A trickling stream with cascades adds relaxing, soothing sounds. 15. Weave a textural tapestry. You can design a sweeping expanse of ground cover plants for a low-maintenance slope solution. Most require trimming only once a year, allowing you to plant them and nearly forget them. Transforming a sloped yard might feel intimidating at first, but as we've seen today, the payoff is absolutely worth it. By introducing structural elements like retaining walls, choosing the right deep-rooted plants, and creating distinct terrace levels, you completely change how your entire property feels. A hill forces you to think vertically, and that vertical design is exactly what gives these gardens their unique high-end architectural look. Whether you choose a modern, clean-lined concrete layout or a rustic, natural stone rock garden, embracing your yard's natural incline is the ultimate way to create an outdoor space that truly stands out from the crowd. If you are ready to stop fighting your sloped yard and finally start enjoying it, make sure to hit that like button right now. Don't forget to subscribe to Garden Decor Designs and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our weekly outdoor design inspiration. I want to hear from you. Which of these slope garden ideas was your absolute favorite? And which one are you going to try in your own yard? Drop a comment down below and let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.